Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a professional blog using Blogger. Whether you're starting a personal blog, an affiliate store, or just exploring your creative side, I'll cover everything you need to know. Please note, I am not a professional in this field. I'm simply sharing what I've learned through my experiences. All the prompts and detailed instructions mentioned in this video are included in the description box for your convenience. Let's get started. To create your website, start by visiting Blogger's official website at blogger.com. Once there, click on either Create Blog or Create Your Blog to begin. You'll then be prompted to select an account. Choose your Google account, enter your email ID and password, and provide any additional required details. Next, you'll need to choose a name for your blog. If you already have a name in mind, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas. I'll include the prompt for this in the description below. You can ask ChatGPT for 15 to 20 suggestions, and it will provide you with creative options. For my blog, which is an affiliate store for fashion and footwear, I used ChatGPT to generate 20 name ideas and ultimately chose the affiliate storefront as my blog's title. Feel free to select a name that fits your niche and style. After selecting a blog name, you'll need to create a URL for your site. This can match your blog name or be something entirely different. The URL will serve as your website's address, e.g., yourname.com. For my blog, I chose the same name for both the URL and the display name, but you can personalize it as you prefer. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Enter and then Finish. Your blog will now be live, and you're ready to start editing and customizing it to suit your needs. After creating an account on blogger.com, you'll be directed to the main interface. From here, navigate to the Themes section in the left-hand menu. This is where you can select a theme for your blog. You'll find many options to choose from. Explore them and pick the one you like. For instance, I found one I liked and decided to go with it, but you can choose according to your preference. Next, every website should have essential pages, so I asked ChatGPT for suggestions. It provided a list of both essential and optional pages. To create these pages, start by going to the Layouts section in the left-hand menu and locate the Pages gadget. Ensure this widget is enabled. Otherwise, the pages won't appear on your website. Once the Pages gadget is active, click on Add New Item to create your pages. Enter names for the pages, such as Home, About Us, Contact Us, and any other essential ones you want to include. After creating the page widgets, you'll need to create the actual pages and link them properly. For this, navigate to the Pages section in the site's side menu. Here's how to create pages. Click on New Page. Enter the title of the page, e.g., Home About Us, in the title section. Switch to HTML view to add content. Repeat this process for all the pages you want to create. Once you've created the pages, return to the Layout section and click on the Edit Pencil icon for the Pages gadget. In the Editing menu, you'll see an option to assign URLs to each page. Select the correct URL for each page. For example, for the home page, assign the corresponding home URL. By following these steps, you'll successfully create and link all the necessary pages to your website. If you want to rearrange the order of your pages, simply use the arrow buttons located next to the list in the Pages gadget. These arrows, pointing upwards and downwards, allow you to reorder the list. For example, if you accidentally place Contact after Home, you can press the up arrow to move Home back to the top and the down arrow to move Contact further down. Now, to create the home page, I went to ChatGPT and provided a prompt. I'll include the list of all prompts in the description box, so you can follow along easily. Here's the prompt I used. Please generate the HTML and CSS code for my homepage with a layout similar to Amazon's. The layout should display product images with the product name and price listed below. Each image, I would like the color scheme to be your choice, but for the fonts, please use lobster for headings and either play fair display or good vibes for the body. When a user clicks on a product image, they should be directed to another page on my website where I provide a short review of the product. Before generating the code, please ask any necessary questions. ChatGPT asked a few questions to ensure the design met my needs. Do you have links for the product pages? I replied that I don't have the links yet, but just need an example for now. How many products should be displayed, and should they be categorized? I requested categories with a grid layout, showing 6 to 8 products per category for niches like fashion, footwear, and home decor. Should the design be responsive? I asked for a layout that adapts to different screen sizes, including mobile devices. Any additional elements? I requested a simple footer to be added to the layout. After answering these questions, ChatGPT generated the HTML and CSS code for the homepage. I copied and pasted the code into the page I created. From there, I customized the title and other elements to suit my preferences. If you're following along, you can also personalize the title, colors, fonts, or any other details to match your style or branding. This flexibility allows you to create a homepage that's uniquely yours. When you view your blog, you'll see how the homepage appears. However, I wasn't happy with the theme, so I decided to change it. This is where you can make adjustments to your blog's theme, including color schemes and background images. There are many categories of images to choose from, and I'm currently exploring them. For example, I'm liking the pink abstract background, but I'm still deciding on the color. Once you're satisfied with your customization, don't forget to save your changes. The Save button is located at the bottom right of the screen. Now, let's move on to the next step. We'll create the code for the About Us page. To do this, I asked ChatGPT to generate the code. ChatGPT asked me a few questions to ensure the content and layout were right. Since I'm creating this tutorial, I just instructed ChatGPT to create the content based on its suggestions. If you'd like more specific guidance on what content to include in your About Us page or any other page, feel free to comment below and I'll create a separate tutorial for that. As you can see, I simply copied and pasted the code that ChatGPT provided. For the About Us page, remember to add your social media links and update your email address. To add links, just click on the Insert Link option and paste the URL. For example, I added my YouTube channel link this way. I followed the same process for all the other pages, including Contact Us, FAQ, Privacy Policy, and Affiliate Disclosure. All the prompts used to generate these pages will be provided in the description box below. Regarding the background color, follow the same process by providing the prompt to ChatGPT, and then simply copy and paste the generated HTML and CSS code into the designated pages. This will allow you to customize each page according to your needs. I wasn't quite satisfied with the first options I tried, so I experimented with different colors. I started with light gray, then soft beige, and even asked ChatGPT for suggestions on what colors go well with pink. I tried out some of the recommendations, wasn't quite satisfied with the first options I tried, so I experimented with different colors. I started with light gray, then soft beige, and even asked ChatGPT for suggestions on what colors go well with pink. I tried out some of the recommendations, and I'm still figuring out which looks best. To change the background color, simply replace the color name in the CSS code, as shown in the video. If you don't like any of the colors, you can always remove the header background color entirely, which is what I did. You can follow the same approach for all your pages to make them exactly how you want them. And that's it for today's video. This was part 1 of creating your website. In the next video, part 2, we'll dive into the next steps, so make sure to stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.